Miles Roberts, Chief Executive of DS Smith, and Adrian Marsh, Chief Financial Officer. You've reported increased returns and margins for the first half of the year. Miles, if I could turn to you first, what would you say were the highlights of your performance in the first half?
Well, firstly, we're delighted with another 6 months of strong growth, improving financial returns, and we've gained market share consistently again across Europe. We've made a number of acquisitions and they're performing very well. But what we're really excited about is the momentum that continues to be built into the company.
You're continuing to grow your volumes in excess of the market, and as you said, you're increasing your market share. How are you doing that?
Packaging has never been more relevant for our customers than it is today. And it's about understanding how we can provide the solutions to solve the packaging needs of our customers. And we've acquired into new regions. We have an unparalleled reach and service offering across Europe. We have a unique offer to our customers as well. That's how we've been managing to gain share consistently now over a number of years.
Adrian, if I could turn to you, your margins are at an all-time high for the company. How are you managing that, and do you think you can continue to do so?
The three main drivers of margin for us and margin improvement are firstly innovation, and the scale of the business allows us to invest behind that innovation, which is able to grow the added value side of our operations. The second key driver is continuous improvement on operational excellence across the business. And then thirdly is our obsession with costs. Now, in the last year, it's just been absolutely tremendous how people have come together cross-functionally, cross-regionally, cross-country, in order to drive on all three of those areas. And it was with that confidence that we felt 6 months ago we could raise our margin targets, and today we sit here with confidence that we'll deliver on them as they're currently set out.
Now, you've made acquisitions in the first half of around 500 million euros. So what steps are you taking to maintain the strength of your balance sheet?
We have a target for leverage of 2 times. Currently, after the acquisitions, we're still only at 1.9 times debt to EBITDA. We keep a continued passion for cash within the business. It's the absolute currency for us on how to grow, and everyone institutionally within DS Smith is focused on cash flow and cash generation.
Miles, on the subject of acquisitions, the ones that you've made in the first half of the year, what do you think they've added to the group?
Well, over the last 6 months, we have acquired a number of businesses in Spain, in Southeast Europe, in Greece, and just today we announced an acquisition into Istanbul in Turkey. We're delighted with the acquisitions. They have performed ahead of expectations to date. What's really exciting, how it allows us to extend our commercial offer to new customers, as well as being able to serve our existing customers more broadly across Europe. But the enthusiasm in which our new colleagues there have joined DS Smith gives us real confidence for the future.
And looking to the future, what is the outlook for DS Smith?
The outlook's positive. 6 months ago, we raised our financial targets, our aspiration for the medium term, and we've seen a very good progress towards that in these last 6 months. We've seen new acquisitions come in, and the response from our customers, how we're winning with our customers, how we're winning with our people. So momentum's building in the company, and that gives us real confidence for the future, of which there are many opportunities opening up for us.
You look well set for the second half, so Miles Roberts, CEO of DS Smith, and Adrian Marsh, Chief Financial Officer, thank you both very much.
Thank you.